convert SPayLater to GCash. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to convert your SPayLater to your GCash account. So first of all, just open your SPayLater account, and after that just choose the region from which you are operating, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your account, you need to make sure that your SPayLater account is properly integrated with your GCash account, and this integration typically happens when you sign up for your SPayLater through the GCash app. So just simply open your GCash application in your mobile device and just launch the application in your mobile device, and after that just simply log into your GCash account using your credentials. And after that, in the GCash account, just click on the three-dot menu icon right there, and after that just try to navigate to the SPayLater section and check your SPayLater balance and make a GCash transaction. So in order to use your SPayLater credit to make transaction with the GCash app, you can use it for various services such as bill payment, purchases and more. And if you encounter any issue or have any specific question about using your SPayLater with your GCash, consider reaching out to the GCash customer support, and they can provide you the assistance based on the latest feature and the policies available with them. So in order to reach out to them, just simply click on the three-dot menu icon, and from there just relocate to the customer support center right there. Just simply click on Help Center, and after that just explain the GCash customer support that you would want to integrate your SPayLater with your GCash account in order to make transaction happen in the future. And after that, the GCash support team will reach out to you and help you regarding integrating both the accounts together. So this is basically how you will be able to convert SPayLater to GCash. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.